Welcome to Ideals Board. In this video, you'll learn how to download documents from your workspace. Once you have logged in, head to Documents in the left panel. The Documents page lists all documents that have been shared with you. To download the document, click the corresponding three dots on the right of the page. In the drop-down, you will find options to view document details. Star the document as a favorite or download. Click Download and the document will save to your system. Alternatively, you can download the document when viewing it in the workspace. The download icon is in the top right corner. Simply click it and you're done. You can only download documents if you have permission, and seeing a document doesn't necessarily mean you can download it. Your permissions are managed by your administrator or secretary. If you need to contact them, you can find their details in the directory. And that's how you download documents from within your workspace.